Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I very special day because today we're going to do my sex tutorial video. So let's start off. Let's start from the top up there. Let's go. We have some lotion. Again, glue. 3 cents banana. Banana. Cupcake and caramel. We have some tablespoons, borax for my activator down. We have squishies, like squishies, and I have some older mini squishies here. And sorry, there's like I'm watching TV, we're watching it, didn't make it now, so sorry about that. We have some foam beads. You go down, there's some paints, scents, and other things for slime. You go here, there's some lotion, beads, charms, glitters, more charms, some diaper clay down here. You go this side, there's some food coloring and like ball chains. There's some clear glue, You go down, shaving cream, a hot glue gun, Next to that has some black glitter, holographic silver glitter, holographic blue glitter. You go over here, there's some more slimes. You go down, there's some containers over there, more slime, and there's nothing right there. You go over here, there's more slime right there. So you go here, there's a glass cup, lemonade, mixing bowls, microphone beads, color pencils and things, trash can, gallons of glue. There's kind of like this much left. So a chair, just in case I don't want to sit in this chair. So I have this chair. Let me sit on this chair. We have this table. This table, I'm gonna like get some paper on it, make color different, like purple, maybe orange, I don't know, blue, black, or white. Then we have some mixing tool. Have like a picture thing. Has like my camera. I'll use this for videos, but it just needs like a memory card because then it is already full. So I need a new memory card. Like a vlog. My brother's camera's there. Stickers behind the camera, colors and markers and pencils. You go here. There's some borax. This is a lotion, but I cleaned it all and I put some borax inside there. You go down under the table. There's some jars. There's some more slime. There's some more slime there. We have more slime down there. And yeah, that's all I have. We also have like some pictures of me and my brother right there, like 4 years ago. Oh, a picture of me and a teddy bear. Like I don't know what this is, but I just have it there. Oh, I forgot something. I have down there. You can see there's some dice of clay. And there's clay. They're both black. So have like a blue down there. So wait a second. SMR for my butters-ish slime. Yellow.
Care because I know what it feels like to be told more difference. That's some of the exact same thing.
That you're going through what? The dancing hair phase?
Some. So, what do you say we go back in?
Let's do this!
Sorry, the TV.
So, digging the hair, huh?
Sorry about that. That SMR. I'm gonna come to and see. I might do a shopping for school supplies in like 2 more weeks, so stay tuned for that because one's coming up in like 5 weeks or 6 weeks. So we're gonna go. That means it's gonna be.
What's going on?
Oh, that's
Hold on,
funny.
Chloe. Coming to save you.
Guys, watch it. This is funny.